Hi guys, my name's Lyman. I'm just a average camper that I've been watching a lot of camping videos, and I thought, what the heck, I'll make my own camping video, checking out my camper, getting ready for the season, and finding things that are wrong. So come along with me. This is my 2015 Apex by Coachman. It's about 21 foot. Got a dinette slide out on it. A really nice camper. We bought it brand new. First brand new camper we've ever had. This is the 191 RSB. And it does have the Azdel composite, which is very good, that I've found out by checking online. I've done a lot of online research. As you can see, I've got my ladder set up. I'm getting ready to climb up on top of the roof, clean it, and do a roof inspection. But I just wanted to do a quick walk around. My wife's been out here and she's kind of slid the slide out a little bit just to get something out. But there you have it. Alright, let's go up on the roof. Okay, we're up here on the roof, and just from my first step up here, I'm not real happy with what I see. If I can get a shot of this. This is my bathroom vent. As you can see, it's all wore out and eat out. That's going to be replaced. Just taking an initial look. Yeah. Over here around the skylight to the bathroom, I see some breakdown. That's going to be fixed. I noticed a lot of you online have said not to cover over, but to remove and replace. Oh yeah, here's the skylight or the fan vent over the kitchen. Yeah, that's going to be replaced. Other than that, just looks a little bit dirty and dingy. Uh-oh. I'm finding trouble spots. Found another spot right here. See how that is? Yeah. That's going to be repaired. Don't want water getting in. I don't have any tears that I can see. Yes. Nope, that's not. Ah, thank goodness. I don't have any tears in the roof. I do have a few places where it's compromised. Oh, look at that. Reach way out here. Yeah. Lens cover. It's gone. It's got to be replaced. We're also going to take a look at the AC unit, because I did have a problem with water. When I would turn the unit off, it would flood right out like you're opening up the dam. Okay, now that I see what problems I've got up top, let's make a run to a store and see if we can get some stuff to fix it with. Okay, so I had went up on the roof and I had found all the stuff that I need to fix, so I go to my favorite camping store where I bought my camper at, Country Roads RV in Welcome, North Carolina. Right outside of Lexington, North Carolina. I didn't show you the video going to that store because you know how to drive and you know how the location. And I'll include the address in my comments down below, and I'll also include their website. I bought two of these RV vent lids. Now the lids on mine were so bad that they just fell apart when I would touch them. And I'm inside the camper right now getting ready to remove and install the new ones. So let's step inside. I've already got one out and I'm working on the one back in the bathroom, so I hope I've got room back there. But this is what I'm replacing with, and they said they're really good. They'll fit my camper, thank goodness. At least I hope they will. If not, then I'll have a video of me going back over to Country Roads to get a new vent lid. This is what they are. This is how they work. and they look pretty good. So we'll find out. So as you see, the one here in the kitchen, I've already got it opened up. It is still up there. I've got to climb up on the roof in order to remove the cap and put the new cap on, but all the insides here are taken down, and yes, I'm going to clean up all this mess before I put it back together. Let's step back here into the bathroom. Alright, I just started working on this one, and hopefully we can get set up in here before you can see what this one is going to look like as I take it apart. Okay, if this is recording, we'll go ahead and continue. I've got all these screws. I've got 3, 4, 5 taken out. I got 1, 2, 3 more left to go. So let's work on those real quick. That will take down this trim around the screen. And if you've never done this before, don't think that whenever you get this trim down, that this screen comes down with it. You're going to be fooled. I sure was with my first one in there, because there's two more screws holding the screen. This just holds the beauty trim. That's what I call it. Makes it look beautiful. I've never really worked on my camper before, and it's like I told them whenever I was buying this stuff, I've watched a lot of stuff on YouTube and learned a lot. So YouTube will teach you things. Okay, now I've got the trim down. I've got a little bit of wiring showing here. Now, if I could get the screwdriver up. And it wants to be a little aggravating. I think it's coming. There. Catch the screw so it don't fly. And we got one more over here. These screws can be very aggravating if you don't have really the proper tools to work with. And I'm just using a cheap multi-driver type thing that's got a lot of different screwdriver bits with it. Oops. Okay, so now we're going to go searching for a screw. You got to take this handle off. That screen will not come out unless this handle is off. So now we're taking the handle. Now you see the screw, everything is coming down. Put the tools out of the way. The screen's coming down. And I just let it hang. Alright, I'll take the handle. Well, I don't really have to. All I got to do, I remember this from the other one that I about messed up on. There's two little screws here that hold on the where the handle goes, right here beside the fan. And if this fan accidentally comes on, it won't hurt you, but I'll scream in pain, because it'll practically scare me to death. Anyway, taking these screws out, it's not all that hard. Get everything out of the way, give a little lift, slide, and it pops right out. And just open it up. Keep this little tab handy right here, because it'll slip in. This is a little pressure gauge type tab. Okay, let's climb up on top and see what we can do up there. Okay, now that we're up here on the top, all we're going to do is simply slide this old one off like so. Now these are supposed to be the type that fit any type. We're going to find out if I need to make a trip back to the store. know what? I have a fear that that might be a yes. I need to go back to the store. I got the wrong ones. Ha ha, ain't that funny? Always know what you're getting when you're replacing parts, because this slides inside a tube here. Those hinge over. So, drop this cover back down. You know what? I may just take this cover with me to make doubly sure. I think that's what I'll do. It don't look like it's gonna rain. Famous last words. Okay, I'll be back shortly. Okay, these are very easy to install. They've got little tabs. Let me take one out of the box since I'm going to be putting it on. They just slide right in. They're the 14-inch size. Boom. They go right on like so. Get the handy dandy screwdriver out of the way. And bang. Right there we are. Now these also have little tabs out on the sides that you just take, give a slight bend to these. The ones I took out were bent down. I'm going to try bending these a little upward. Kind of flatten them out. This way, when you're riding down the road or when you've got them open, less chance that they're going to bounce out of shape. Nothing's any worse than to be riding down the road and find out that you don't have your vent when you get to the campground. Alright, this lid's on. See how quick and simple that was? Now, close it. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the second one on, and then we're going to go inside. Okay, now that I've got the lids placed on, I'm just going to go back in and I'm going to reverse the process by putting back the screws, putting back the screens, and everything will be done. I don't think I need to show you how to do that, because if you know how to take the screws out, you should really know how to put the screws back in. Alright people, I'll be back with a few more items here in a bit. Okay guys, I've installed the new caps. They look good, they work great, wasn't a problem. Over here I had to go in and remove some caulking, and I put new sealant down. I found a few other little spots that I had to put some sealant down on up toward the front. So now I got to do is let everything dry down, then I'll come back out and I will scrub it down and put my sealant on it, and I'll be done with the roof. I hope y'all have enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I know some of y'all said the same thing that I've said about other videos when I've seen people climbing up on top. Gee, I hope you don't fall off. Well, no, I didn't fall off. If y'all like this, please click the like button. I would say subscribe, but I'm going to wait till I do a few more videos. But just keep looking for me. My name's Lyman, and I'll be posting a few more things as come along. Talk to you later. Bye.